Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 easy ways to spice up your summer wardrobe. Let's get right into it. Before we start, I'd like you to go into your closet and look for clothing that you like but don't really wear anymore. We're going to try to give it new life so you can wear it this summer. I have some clothes here that I want to change up, so I'm going to show you some easy ways to spice it up. First, we're going to crop this jacket and also make a denim corset. To do this, I laid my jacket on the ground and got another crop jacket for reference. I lay it out evenly on top so I can see exactly where I want to cut it. If you don't have a reference, you could also wear the jacket and make a mark on where you want to cut, just like this. Once you're ready, use a ruler to draw a straight line across. This will help you cut more evenly. Since the jacket is thick, I'm cutting slowly and applying a lot of pressure. Be very careful when you do this because I don't want anyone getting hurt. After that, save this piece because we'll use it later. The jacket is pretty much done now and you can leave this raw hem, or you can fold it twice and sew it down to make it look cleaner. I like the cleaner look for this, so I did sew it down and this is what it looks like. Alright, onto the corset inspired top. First, put the fabric over your chest and fold it down once if you want it shorter. Then, wear it backwards so you can see all of the excess fabric in the front. I made a mark on the jacket so I could see where I needed to sew. To make it easier, I used a ruler to draw a line and connected the yellow markings. That way, I know exactly where to sew and I'm sewing down here with a straight stitch. Once you do that, make sure it fits before cutting the excess fabric. I'm cutting it close to where I made the straight stitch, and after that, I'm going to use an overlock stitch to sew down the raw edges. You can see the settings that I'm using right here. After overlocking, you're almost done. If you want the top to be shorter like a crop top, fold down the top and press it down so it can look like this. Second, an easy way to spice up your outfit is to add accessories. For example, I'm starting out plain here, but we're going to add some layers to it. You'll see how much of a difference it makes from adding hair clips, jewelry, and other accessories. If you don't like to be too blingy, I recommend wearing dainty jewelry because it's there but it's not in your face. I also really love platform sandals too. You can see how this looks so much better from where we started. Third, I'm going to show you how to make fitted tops from a t-shirt. If you brought out any old t-shirts, this is where we can really transform it. I'm using my boyfriend's old shirt that he doesn't wear anymore. To make this top, bring out a sleeveless shirt that fits you really well. We're going to use it as a guide to draw your pattern. Lay it out on top of your shirt and make it really smooth so the pattern is clear. I'm using a ruler to draw a straight line at the end, leaving a 2-inch seam allowance. I'm also outlining the shape of this tank top, leaving about an inch on the sides. After you're done drawing, you can cut out the bottom. Then fold the shirt in half so when you cut, it'll be symmetrical. Make sure that the shirt is smoothened out too so you can cut it evenly. After you cut, it'll look like this. You can leave the neckline like that, or if you want a low scoop neck, fold the shirt in half so the front sides are together. This way, when you cut the neckline, it'll be symmetrical. Once the front is done, you can do the same for the back side of the shirt. Now we're going to clean up the edges. Fold it down twice just like this. You're going to do this for all of the raw edges and press it down so you can sew it easily. This helps make it look really clean and really professional looking. After you do that, use a straight stitch to sew everything down and you'll get a perfectly fitted shirt just like this. Fourth thing you can do is add some color to your outfit. If you love keeping it neutral, an easy way to incorporate color is through your accessories. For example, I'm wearing mostly white, but my bag pops and my hair clip is adding a summery vibe. You can see how the small pop of color among the neutral really adds a little something. Even if it's just a hair clip. Some of my favorite color combos you can try are muted yellow and green or white and baby blue. Fifth, if you have a few similar looking pants, chances are you probably have a favorite and don't really wear the other ones. This was my case, so I decided to cut my least worn pair into shorts. I don't have anything in my closet like this, and I love how it looks, so I'm excited that I can finally wear it. Okay, one more tip is to try different hairstyles with your outfit. You could do braids, you could do half up, half down, you could add hair clips just like me. That's what I love right now. You could wear your hair wavy, curly, straight, do a blowout. There's so many things that you can do with your hair. It's crazy to say, but they say that 90% of your look appearance is your hair. They said something like that, but either way, what they mean is that it really changes your look, and I definitely agree, because whenever I wear my hair in a blowout versus when I wear my hair naturally wavy, I look very different. It gives off a whole different vibe. So with every outfit, try to explore a different hairstyle. I hope all of these tips were helpful. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!